David James, speaking to you for Life the Basic Manual. I'm here with Michael Lloyd, Sedona Paint Centre. We're looking at spray equipment. This airless spray, if you've just pulled it out of the garage, you've not used it for a while, there's some maintenance that you probably need to look at. Mike, what's the first thing you're going to do if you pull this out of the garage and the thing doesn't work?
So if you pull it out of the garage and it doesn't work, first thing you probably want to check is your balls. You have a lower ball here, which is underneath this housing, which is very easy to unscrew. Take it off the bottom, and here it is. It's a ball and a keeper. Sometimes this ball will get lodged in the bottom of the seat and will allow, as a matter of fact, here's the seat it sits on, to allow it to pressure up and spray. So that would be the first thing I would check. If you put the prime tube in water and it does not prime, the lower ball is stuck. You just need to pull it out like I did, unfree it, put it all back together, and screw it on. If you find after you do all of that, you put it back in water and it primes, but it doesn't pressure up, the top ball has got something stuck in it. So while it's apart like this, the best thing to do if you're cleaning this ball out is just to go ahead and check the top ball so you don't get it all back together and find out it doesn't work again.
So can we see that ball from there, Mike, in this one?
It's kind of hard to see, Dave. It's in the piston, it rides in the piston, so it's a very little hole in the center of the lower unit.
So you poke something up there to loosen that off?
Yeah, so a paper clip, a small screwdriver, something very small, you poke it up in there, that'll loosen it up. You just want to make sure both the upper and lower balls are loose, and that should get you going.
Okay, so in the next video we're going to look at checking all the filters and setting up, getting ready to spray.